Hi there, I'm Liam and welcome to Fynlo. In this video, I'll show you how to invite your accountant to your Fynlo account so they can access your data directly and collaborate with you seamlessly. Step 1. Open Users Settings. From your Fynlo dashboard, go to Settings, then Users. Click New User to start the invitation process. Step 2. Enter details and send invite. Fill in your accountant's email, first name, last name, and phone number. Step 3. Assign full permissions. Select full permissions for your accountant. This allows them to view and manage all the data they need without you having to forward anything. Click Save. Your accountant will receive a link to join and can start collaborating immediately. If your accountant doesn't receive the email, you can resend it by clicking Resend Invite. Wrap up. And that's it. With Fynlo, inviting your accountant is simple, secure, and keeps your financial workflow smooth and stress-free.